Feeling stuck? Need a boost? Buckle up, friends. This one's for you. Life's like a roller coaster. Sometimes you're on top, hands in the air. Other times you're screaming your lungs out on the way down. But guess what? You're still on the ride. Dream big, but start small. Even superheroes had to learn to fly. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. Be the bricklayer of your dreams. Got a goal? Break it down. Tiny steps, folks. You don't eat an entire pizza in one bite. Well, most of us don't. Mistakes? They're just plot twists in your epic story. No one wants to watch a boring movie, right? Embrace them, learn, and move on. Surround yourself with positive vibes. Your tribe affects your vibe. Find those who lift you up, not weigh you down. Like helium balloons, but without the squeaky voice. And remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. If you believe you can, you're halfway there. So go out, crush those goals, and don't forget to celebrate the little victories. Because you, my friend, are unstoppable. Stay motivated, stay awesome, and see you at the top. Eat.